Hey, Maximus. 1, a 2, a wee! A wee! A sweet! Whoa! Oh, your camera's just falling down to your britches, isn't it? Oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Okay, I've got the kids helping me can some tomato sauce. Sophie's providing moral support. Did you want your binky, Miss Soph? Yum yum. And then Max over here is helping wash the tomatoes. Yeah, they all need to get thrown in the pot of clean water. This time of year is proving to be extra busy in the Atwood household. Okay, Miss Loaf, how can I help you? With our garden in full bloom, we have a lot of picking and canning and preparing for winter to do. Can you believe how skilled Daddy is doing a baby and tomatoes? And Max, you're skilled too doing the washing. The reason we're canning tomatoes is because I just think homemade tomato sauce makes your food taste a little more special. If everyone shops at the same grocery store and buys the same cans, everyone's food is going to taste the same. I'm taking a few days off of work to help Sarah around the house. I'm trying to be helpful, but I feel like I have a gazillion of my own projects to do also. Sophie, I don't know how long I can hold you like this. Max, do you think I can hold Sophie like this for a long time? No. Daddy's strong, but he's not quite that strong. Oh yes. Yes, we want to get them nice and spread even around. It's kind of full. Max, can you say tomato? Not quite. Now when you put enough in, then we push it down like this. Okay, next step. When this gets full, we have to take it and we have to dump it in here. Okay, I think we're all done. Yay! Good job, Max. And so we're going to let this boil for a couple hours and reduce so it's not so soupy, and then we'll can it. Max is watching the family videos. That's what he does in the morning now. He watches reruns of his life. Max, buddy, that was such a nice waterfall. Really so nice and pretty.
Don't lick the table.
Go picky while I lick. This is Max's favorite part of the video. This is the part where he licks the table. All you want. Okay, we're up in the mountains going for a fall walk. We were hoping to catch the fall colors, but we're a little early. And Max got just a big running head start, so I'm trying to catch up to him, and Sarah's trying to get Sophie all situated. I cannot keep up with this dude. We were here last year too. You might remember it from our video. Did you find some rocks, buddy? Let's see if we can see Mommy. Oh, it's Mommy. Oh, sleepy Soph. So today's actually a Monday, and normally I'm at work on Mondays, but gotta take advantage of that paternity leave. And with little Sophie here, I got 10 days of it. And so we're having some family time. Max, can you follow Daddy? Follow Daddy. Yeah, good job. Max thinks follow Daddy means walking backwards because usually I'm walking backwards when I'm telling him to follow me. Max, on your mark, get set, go!
Oh man, running up the hill.
Yeah, you're fast. You're a fast buddy. Oh no. So much tripping. Max, I'm afraid we'd better head back before you... No, not walk backwards. Head back to the car before you get bloody knees.
Sophie, this is your first semi family hike. And you're sleeping all the way through it.
Yeah, Sophie, how do you like the hike?
That's a good nap.
He's probably dreaming about it. And let's see if Daddy can figure this out. I think you just put this right here. And then you turn this on. And watch what it does. It's pretty cool, I think, if Daddy knows how to do it. Oh, it's cutting the apple. That's cool. Oh, it's not scary. It's nice. Making applesauce wasn't strictly part of our fall harvest, but you know, you have to have some fun along the way. Now, when you're a little older, we can actually multitask on this, and we can both, one of us can do the cutting and one of us can do the peeling. But for now, I guess Daddy will just have to do it all, and you can watch and be a little helpful. Now, you don't want the seeds to get in. Oh, that's what you can do, Max. Can you put the apples in the bucket? Just like that, just like that. That's good. Okay, yeah, now we've got a system. Max, can you make it go faster? Yeah, we've got this down. Hey, Max, what is this?
Apple.
That's right, it's an apple. That's one of Max's first words. He loves apples. He loves to climb up on his stool, grab an apple from our bin, have about 5 bites, and then leave it somewhere in the house. We're all done, buddy. Yeah, we're all done. You did such a good job helping peel the apples. Now we can turn it into applesauce. We definitely bought too many apples because this is half of the apples we bought, and it fills all of our pans. But we'll have a year's supply of applesauce. Max, are you throwing food on the floor? Yeah, we don't do that. Yeah, all we did, Max, is we cooked the apples, and then when the apples were nice and soft, then we just put them in the blender. And that's all we did. And then we put this on, we put this on, and we'll boil it, and that will get it ready for long-term storage, buddy.
Honk. Honk.
Can you give Sophie's nose a very gentle honk? Honk.
Good job, Max.
Yes.
Gentle. Nice and soft.